My upload for this morning is with regard to matters pertaining to all my former uploads, particularly with regard to developments that have been made in a community of my birth and upbringing and of my heritage and ancestry, where there have been individuals of developments that are dubiously, questionably progressive. As a qualified professional that lives on her own, that has been experiencing the consequences of these developments that have been harmful, unlawful, unstandardized, non-consensual, and with detrimental effects to privacy, proximity, and my rights and entitlements to have my personal space and privacy and proximity respected. Now, there's a little issue with people that are disrespecting information. People don't like their information being exposed without consent, and people don't like their privacy being violated. Now, there's a very serious issue about repeat offenders in this community causing repeat offences against a mother who is still awaiting for the relevant agencies and bodies to address all of the very serious problems that have been caused as a consequence of incompetence. Now, as I've mentioned, I'm in accommodation that is unsuitable. There has been very serious violation occurring in this accommodation. Now, the issue of individuals that have been claiming to be of progress and developments that disrespect my personal information, that disrespect my personal living space, that disrespect the freedom of information and the privacy of information, that have been exposing personal details, accessing personal details of a private citizen living on her own, is highly unacceptable. So I really hope that the Department of Justice, the Honourable Government that I've been awaiting since 2017, I really hope that those that have respect for people's privacy and personal information realise how serious the situation has been caused as a consequence of these people that have been repeat offenders against my royal patronage. I am of royal patronage, and there are individuals that have been exposing personal information of mine as I live on my own. So these liabilities in society are disrespecting people's information. And since 2017, we are aware of how people are sensitive to their information being accessed or exposed unlawfully. So like any other person, as a law-abiding citizen, this person is awaiting for full obligations to my royal patronage to be respected in this county, where there have been very dangerous offences caused. So I'd appreciate those that are liable and that are liabilities to people's privacy and disrespecting royalty of this country to be held accountable for their incompetence, their ignorance and their negligence, and as well as that, their debts that they owe me personally. There's a huge debt I'm owed, and I'd appreciate the Department of Justice addressing it as mentioned in my impact statements. So this issue of individuals of poor developments in society without consent, legalisation or standardisation, accessing people's personal space and privacy and information